Hi, the name of the dance is called Laughter in the Rain. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, improver level cha-cha. There's a tag on walls 3 and 6, and a special ending on wall 9. So let's get started. Section 1, we're gonna walk, walk, shuffle forward, rock, recover, shuffle a half. Section 2, we're gonna do a rocking chair, side rock, recover, cross and cross. Section 3 is quarter, quarter, cross shuffle, rock, recover, sailor with a touch. Last section, we're going to do a nightclub 2 steps, side, rock, recover, side, rock, recover, making a right turn. We're facing now 6 o'clock, okay? So now, let's do the counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the tag is a 4-count tag, side touch, side touch. And we do that after 12 counts. Okay, so there's a little surprise. Here we go. We're gonna walk, walk, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle a half, rocking chair, side touch, and you're gonna raise your arms and sway with wiggling fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the tag, and that goes on wall 3 and 6. Wall 9 is you're gonna dance 20 counts, okay? We're gonna start in the front, we're gonna come back to the front. So let's go for 20 counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you're gonna raise your arms, lower your arms with wiggling fingers, and that's the end of it. And that's the end of the dance. I hope you like it. We'll see you next time. Bye.